Yo, what is up, what is up, what is up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ngayon tayo ulit makakapag-vlog after nung ating track day. Yung sa track day natin, hindi pwede ang helmet cam eh. Kaya 360 gaming lang tayo. Sinubukan lang natin siyang buuin. Pero ngayon, long ride tayo. Today is Wednesday. Time check 7:03 AM. Ay, traffic na. Medyo mainit pa ng konti. Sabi ko nga, long ride tayo ngayon. Ang ating ruta ay sa Mount Zion, sa Utah. So, di naman ganoon ka layo. Siguro mga 2 oras. 2 to 2.5, depende sa takbuhan. Mga 100, parang 150 miles lang din ata. So kasama natin si Mr. Sarap, si Pogi Vespa, and si Mike Bomac. I-meet natin sila ngayon sa gas station. 68 degrees. Seryoso ba to? 704. Pero sa Utah, chinek ko, may chance na may lamig ng konti. Kaya nag-leather tayo ngayon eh. Just in case lang. Madali magbawas, diba? Tsaka meron tayong dalang extrang jacket na mesh, just in case uminit lang talaga. Ang traffic pala dito sa umaga. Talaga lang dito dumadaan dito. Ay nako, dati hindi na traffic dito kasi dito dati yung trabaho namin sa side na to eh. Ngayon ganito pala dito sa umaga. Oh my G, late na naman tayo. Ang usapan 7:10 na alis, 7:05 na. Medyo late din kasi tayo lumabas sa trabaho kagabi. Meron kaming malaking grupo sa trabaho. Grabe naman traffic dito. May malaking corporate event, kaya late na tayo nakalabas kagabi galing work. Alright, kita-kits na lang na mamaya. Kasama natin sila, and mahaba-habang biyahe to. So, samahan nyo kami. Let's go. Yun o, mga adventure bikes, adventure riders. Good morning! What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, drain? Oo. What's up, folks? Good morning. I know. Look at that hair, bruh. So, kaming apat lang. Nagyaya kami kahapon ng iba, pero kasi nga yung schedule namin alanganin eh. So today kaming apat lang. Ito yung lineup natin, 3 multi, isang GS 1300. So tambay lang dito sandali, tapos let's go na. Grouping succeeded. Good morning.
Good morning. How many subscribers we got? Hello.
There you go.
Good morning, Papa Pogs.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Anins, you got the maps. You take the lead, brother.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Mesquite, first stop.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's about 80 miles I think, or 70. Ride safe, boys.
Let's go.
It's monkey in the middle. Guess who's the monkey?
It's the green monkey.
It's the green monkey.
Don't be hating.
Don't be hating. Oh yeah,
Excited for you, Pogi.
first long ride no? On the GS.
Right.
Woo!
And first Zion, bro.
For real? Is that for real, folks? It's your first time in Zion? Or gonna be in
Yeah.
Zion? No way.
That's right, Bob. That's right, Bobby was like, hey, be careful.
Why?
It's hot. Oh yeah, Bobby knows.
He knows.
But that was summertime no, when we went.
Yeah, during EDC.
Yeah. How many miles? About 140 eh? Total?
140.
Like, one way?
Yeah, yeah. All the way to Zion Park.
Yeah. That's not bad. Like 2 hours no? 2.5.
Yeah.
So talaga yung mga natutuloy, yung mga binibiglang ganyan eh.
I thought Pogi was gonna back out this morning.
Oh yeah? Yeah, we did this ride before, no? No cruise control, no nothing. That's fucking...
Yeah.
This is gonna be... This is gonna be a way.
Middle of summer.
I used Nino's bike, the old DSXS,
Jixie.
the Dixie 750.
On the FZ07.
Bomac used the FZ07, and then our friend fucking did R6, bruh.
You know who James is, right?
If I see him by the face, I can't
He's the
remember.
He's the big guy, the one with the drum before.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
He rode the Hyper.
The Aprilia Dorsoduro,
Yeah.
and then he forgot his jacket.
He was a lobster.
Bomac's vaping while riding. Look at this shit. Gangster. Partida, hindi pa modular yan. Ano, mga pa-member ng DCS, oh.
Ay, yung dalawa, no?
Ha?
Baka gago.
Di mo nakita yung picture ng ano? T-shirt?
Sino?
May t-shirt ka lang, Brad.
Oh, wow.
Jersey. Hindi t-shirt yung jersey.
Ah, jersey ba? Jersey ba?
Oo, jersey.
Damn.
Ikaw ako.
Yung suot ka na ng inauguration.
Ikaw ako, si Kuya JR, si Bomac, si Kuya Teo. Shoutout to Country Club South.
Let's go.
Tayo yung mga ampon. Well, hindi ampon, pero ampon tayo.
Sino magdadala nun?
Malalaman natin.
December pa, magbalik ko na. December pa, oh. Tatabi na ako.
Sige. Mahabang long ride. It's been a while.
At ngayon nakapagparang tayo, nakapagparang man ako.
Dahil yung ganito kahaba. I mean, at least, 100 miles one way or 100 plus.
Tunay na long ride.
Ito yung binabayaran dito eh. Pag alam mo, pagpapuntaan ng Utah, pag dinaanan mo to, yun oh. Look at that. Ang ganda. Basic folks, basic. Send it! Yeah! There you go. Alright, roll off now. Good job, Pogi. Ayun o, yung police. Lakas mo rin ng cruise control.
Hindi, curve kasi ang pinapasa ata yung truck.
Dumadamba.
Come to Utah, boys!
Utah, baby!
Utah!
Tuckerville exit.
Somebody first here.
Ako, Ako, dito naman ako nag-propose. Dito tayo nag-propose sa Tocqueville Falls. Lagay natin yung link dyan kung saan yung Tocqueville. Meron tayong vlog dyan eh. Pwede ko may ilagay yung link nung sa channel ni Chua papunta dun sa akin. Pwede ba yun? Sige. Lagay natin dyan yung proposal video. Hurricane 9 miles. Oh, it's not far. Lake Powell 145. Buta malapit na pala Lake Powell. Grand Canyon.
Those rocks.
Look left, folks. Look ahead.
Hold it anymore.
Sinubukan paspasan, walang nangyari. Lalong naiiyam po na.
Oh, tangina.
Iihi si Mr. Sarap Vlogs. Tabi-tabi po. Ay mo, tabi-tabi po.
Excuse me.
Nasa Amerika pala. So ito na yung paakyat ng Mount Zion papunta sa entrance. Yan yung view. Sarap talaga di multi. Walang angal. Sulit.
Amazing.
Not bad for a Wednesday.
Not bad for a Wednesday.
May tubig sa kanan, no? May park, like,
Did you
diba?
buy water in there?
May park tayo dyan na pinupuntahan dati, Mike. Alam mo yun? Gusto tayo kumakain.
Oo.
May tubig. Sarap. Ay pa yung mga glamping sa taas pala, yun.
Yeah.
Kaliwa.
There's more glamping up there. You see it, Pogi? The tents.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. They have AC too.
Yeah.
It better be hot. It's hot here, man. It's summertime.
See, that's the best one right there. You're facing Zion.
What a view.
Pogi, this view is even nothing compared to what's inside.
Yeah. You know what they say, folks, right? When you go inside, that's that's where you see it. Oh yeah? Look at the climb, oh. What's up? Climb? Nice climb, bro.
Sarap matulog sa baba ng mga puno na yan, no?
Park tayo mamaya, gusto mo.
Doon sa loob. Sa loob sa may hotel.
Oo, pwede.
May malaking puno sa gitna.
Oo.
Yeah.
May mga bahayan dito, mga yun, lag, luma.
Oo. Saka matutulis yung bubong kasi nag-i-snow.
Nag-i-snow. Pero nalaki ng lote, no?
Yun ba ang purpose noon? Pag matilos na ganyan, that means nag-i-snow sa lugar.
Oh,
Pababa.
Hindi ma-stuck
yung
sa
yelo.
bubong yung yelo.
May post office ulit. Parang
Ako, ano lang yan, like design lang nila or something.
mga A-frame houses nung una. Kape
Left
bago
turn.
pumasok. O yun, oh. Ganda ng Zion din, no? Ganda rin ng view ng Zion talaga, eh, oh.
Dito lang, sa likod ninyo.
Dito, no?
Wala nang sign dyan eh.
Ganda sa Zion talaga, clear ng ulan.
Ang dito, wala. May bayad ba ka?
May, free Canyon, Hungry Goat and Canyon Coffee, free parking, 40 minutes.
Okay.
So hindi tayo magbabayad.
Gracias, sir. Good lead.
Good job.
Yes sir.
Good job, folks.
Good job.
Tara, kape muna tayo.
Okay.
Let's go. Ayos yung ride, Mr. Sarap. It's good.
Comfy talaga.
Sarap tong ginawa namin ito. Buti na lang napagbigyan. Usually kasi hindi ako day off ng Wednesday, sila day off. For some reason na day off ako ng Wednesday na to. Painit na, kaya nag-decide mag-ride. So
Ito yung first long ride natin this year.
yeah,
Yung
long ride talaga na may destinasyon. So ngayon, kakape muna tayo dito sa Canyon. Since medyo mainit dito, ice coffee tayo. Is it sweet? It's like you? It's sweet, like you?
No, strong.
No strong. That's good. Damn. Yeah. Ayan yung kape. Tapos yun yung view, oh. Diba? Ganda na. Not bad. Pasok tayo. Pasok tayo Mount Zion. Let's go. Gucci. Mikey, una. I'll stay in the back. Go ahead, folks. Eto na. So meron gate dito eh. Papasok, may bayad din. Pogi ni Pogi oh. Puta.
Ay, ikaw naman.
Bro, that bike suits you, bro.
Huh?
Your bike,
Does it?
your bike fits you pretty good.
I don't look
Oh,
too small
shit.
for it.
Traffic.
Oh
So
shit.
going in?
There is traffic.
Oh, we have a chance. We have a chance now. It's fucking clear.
Where? Alright, then go split until the
Until the sign.
Yeah, until the sign. Because we're gonna take photos anyways. So
Yeah.
we're gonna stop.
Is splitting legal here?
We'll figure it out.
We're gonna make it legal.
Is it all the way right, no? The sign?
Right here.
Oh, right here, right
All
here,
the way
right here,
Where's the sign?
right here, right here.
I saw the sign.
Did I miss the turn?
No, no, no. Right here. Nagagalit sila eh. Kala nila, didiretso tayo eh. Di nila alam, style lang din to. Hello, how's it going? Good, good. Friendly tayo eh. Bakit pa? Good, good.
Okay, folks.
Go, folks. Thank you. Welcome to Mount Zion National Park. Medyo hindi na kami nag-jacket kasi mainit. Mabagal naman yung traffic dito.
Squid Gaming. Alright folks, we're only gonna be able to show you half of Zion today. Half of Zion?
Ang ganda.
Right over here, you have to pay attention to the speed limit.
Well, yeah.
Because Nigga Wheel and Bobby got a ticket.
Here?
Inside here? Yeah.
Oh shit.
Well, even if they're not doing it, even if Bobby and Will is not doing anything, I'll give him a ticket. You know what I mean? This one is gonna take us to the tunnels.
Kaibyang Alayuta.
Hey, Biang, baby.
Kaibyang Alayuta.
Hey, do you guys know that Pogi is afraid of heights?
Oh yeah, folks?
Yeah.
Really?
Hell yeah.
Alright, we're in the best spot for you then.
Yeah. When we go back, good luck. Should I turn around? No, motherfucker. Now we understand.
There's a car.
I'm telling you,
There's a car
dude.
stop.
No, you don't look on the cliff. You just look on the road, bro.
Just look at Nino. Yeah.
Yeah. Look ahead, Pogi. My man. There you go. Ooh,
You see the view?
It's nice.
Don't look down. Just always look up. The view is nicer out there.
Basta nga, pag nahulog, kailangan pababa. Mahirap mahulog paakyat, puta.
Paakyat.
Sabi ng asawa ko eh, wow, Mount Zion. sabi mo, St. George. Oo nga, George. Gusto rin sumama eh. Hey, look at Pogi, bro. Fucking, I'm proud of you, man. I'm proud of you.
Proud of you. Proud of you, bro. Proud of you.
Shit.
He's not talking anymore.
No, the only thing
Motherfuckers.
the only thing about this, folks, you can go around by yourself, fucking. You know. We're far from home. We don't have Airbnb here. This is where we're gonna stop later.
Yeah.
Ooh, wee. Sarap.
It's super different seeing this view from a motorcycle versus inside the car.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Not the same.
Anywhere you go, even Red Rock is different.
Oh, it's cold here. Oh, this is the last turn before the tunnel.
Yes, sir. I hope we can get.
Damn, it's nice here.
Is it stop or no?
Nice.
Oh, we're stopped. Okay, we stop at the shade. We're stopping, folks. Okay. Oh, Alex.
Ito na yung papasok
Oh,
ng
it's
tunnel. Ah, it's moving, it's moving.
It's moving. It's moving.
Here you go, KB ang Tano.
Kaybiang Alayuta.
Alayuta version.
Folks, you gotta hold your breath, okay? The whole tunnel.
Hell no. They're working on it, but if it's good, it's two-way. Let there be light. Ooh.
Aking red bomb.
Ito na yung tunnel ng Mount Zion. Kaya may view sa kaliwa.
Ew, nice. This is the slowest I've been here.
Ayan yung view.
Putang ina, bulag yung mga tao sa atin.
Bulag. Bulag.
I forgot.
Medyo mahaba rin tong tunnel na to, no? Mahaba din to, no?
Oh, mahaba to. Yeah.
Pag pinigil mo yung hininga mo dito, sigurado patay.
Damn, it's cold.
It's nice, man. Hi, Pogi. Hello. Sarap ng lamig.
I see the light.
There's a light at the end of the tunnel. Loading ang puta. Lunch break. So thanks Labs sa Musubi. Meron kaming merienda. Meron tayong merienda today. Musubi time.
Thank you, Ate Micah.
Let's go, let's eat.
I appreciate it.
Suabe ang lunch. Suabe.
Yeah.
Thanks Lab.
Thank you.
Tapos ice cream. Tapos uwi na. Simple lang.
Murang breakfast light.
Murang breakfast ride. Murang breakfast ride natin. Si Mr. Sarap lang mahal kasi binayaran niya yung 4 na motor tsaka kape. Enjoy na natin yung ride pa uwi niyan.
Enjoyin yung init.
Hindi ako excited pero wala tayong choice eh. Ganun naman talaga eh. May puting van nakanguha ng bata. After ng Raptor pwede kong clear dyan. Okay. Go Pogs.
Yeah.
See Pogs, that's more scarier than going down this road. Buti na lang nagdala ako jacket. Tangin. Kung naka-leather ako nga mamaya, yari.
Mainit yan.
Mainit yan. You're good. The slower you go, the more sketchier it is. Speed is your friend, my friend.
He got quiet again.
When I first met Pogi, he was fucking gangster, bro. You know,
jumping off the fucking sidewalks and shit.
You know, jumping on the on the receiving area on RC Wheelie.
Oh, RC Wheelie.
Oh, bro, this guy is fucking jumping the grove.
He gets older.
He's not talking again.
That was you, huh?
Don't look down.
God damn, Pogi. You bring colors to our life, man.
Shit, I bring black and white. Pew, 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 pew.
Now he's alive again.
It turned on. It turned on.
He said, I can see the ground.
Saan ang parking nung ano? Nung ice cream?
In the back.
Or on the
Is-
side. I remember I parked on the side.
It's busy. It's busy. It's busy in the back. SBC Packers.
Park it fast. You park it in the front. You park it in the back. You park it fast. What's his name?
Rex.
Rex Navarrete.
Rex Navarrete. Yep.
Who's that?
Rex Navarrete was way before Jokoy.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's like a pork chop duo and and Rex Navarrete.
There's a ano daw eh. There's a technique how to pack. They can even pack anything.
Yeah.
They can pack your shoes. They can pack your animal. They can pack your pet. You know the secret is you put the food in front of the pet and then you pack it. You pack it quick. It's busy in the
It's
back.
busy in the back.
Why did you call your company SBC Packers? Well, as you can see in the back, it's
It's busy.
So it's busy. It's busy. And that's it, guys. That is
Mount Zion.
Ice cream time, and then we're heading back to Vegas.
Sabi ni Mr. Sarap, masarap daw yung ano dito, packing tuloy. Masarap yung ice cream dito.
Masarap yung packing. Wala ko, naiinitan or nakataas yung windscreen niya. Hindi niya binabad the whole time eh.
Sino?
Ano ka sasabihin sa kanya eh?
Sino?
Ngayon ko lang papaalala ninyo.
Olins?
Yung windscreen niya.
Oh shit.
Nakataas the whole time eh.
Damn.
Yeah!
Yun! Mas mahangin ano?
That feels better. Yes. Shit.
Okay.
You can go here.
Alright, ice cream na tayo. Sarado ang ice cream. Hanep. Ha?
I-google nyo, tingnan nyo kung may ice cream pa.
Meron pa ako nakita nung kanina eh. Doon. Ice cream. Ito yung ano eh. Yung ice cream na ice cream ka na. Tapos
At the gas station.
ang araw na sarado lang nila, yung araw na pumunta ka dito. Ano naman swerte ka, no?
Anong araw today?
Ha?
Anong araw today?
Wednesday, hump day.
Wednesday, hump day.
Closed.
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 Oh, right there.
Alright. Nakakita tayo ng ice cream. Dito lang. Sa tabi. Thanks, Bomac, for the ice cream. Ha? Ito.
You want the ice cream share, bro?
Pogi when shopping. Ito yung masarap eh, oh. Malamig. So, lagyan sa'yo, guys.
Yes, thank you. Thank you. Yung wala sa plano natutuloy yung
Oo nga, yun nga talaga yun.
We made it.
Fucking Pogi made it down.
You still got the gorge going home, bro.
So far, bitch. Damn.
Alright, just like that, uwi na tayo. Papunta ng Vegas. So, hello.
Okay.
Good.
Yo, good.
Folks,
3 group members connected.
Hold on. Okay, go ahead, go.
change costume na tayo ulit. Summer jacket na. Bye Zion. Maintain speed, just push right. Don't slow down, you're good. There you go. Now gas it. There you go. Very good, maintain, push it left. Good job. Just push right. There you go. More, you're good. There you go. Maintain throttle. Good. Nice one. Alright, last stop over bago dumiretso ng Vegas. Dito na ulit kami sa Mesquite. Okay naman yung mga bikes natin, walang problema. Medyo umiinit lang, parang 91 kanina nung palapit kami dito sa Mesquite. So ngayon mag Starbucks muna tayo, palamig ng konti bago bumiyahe. Let's go. Ice din, Starbucks. Ito na yung pinakamasakit na ride eh. Ito yung home stretch, yung pauwi. Kaya ito na to eh. Pero malapit na naman na to, 80 miles na lang to eh.
1 hour 20. Takbuhan natin 80 miles.
1 hour?
1 hour na lang yan.
Tama ba yung mat mo?
Tama.
Ah, 80 lang, goods na yun.
Umabot ba ng 80 ang GS?
Umataw sila kanina, tulin eh. Ha?
Umabot ba ng 80 to?
Wala ako, may get. Tulin yan, men. Tulin yan. Hater po tayo. Yo! Elias ang puta.
Okay, I'm gonna go straight.
Okay.
Alright, Pogi.
Thanks, Pogi. It was a good ride.
Thank you guys.
Good job.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Text us when you get home.
Oh. Okay. Bye, Bo. English Speed Gonzalez.
Exit, Micah, exit. Alright. Ay, tapusin na yung vlog dito. Pucha, mahaba na naman to.
Nag-vlog ka hanggang dito? Shit.
Oo. Pero putol-putol yun.
Ayos.
So,
Bye everyone. Let's go.
let's go. So ano tayo ngayon? 351 miles mula nung nag-gas tayo kaninang umaga. So at least
369.
medyo malayo yung ating biyahe today. Pero sulit naman, masaya naman.
10,000 miles na si Multi, guys.
Tanggal ka ng long ride. 10,000 ka na?
Ina.
10,000.
Ako, ito mo. Para mo kung ilan na yung app.
Ilan na yun sa'yo?
11,811.
Wow. Sa akin 16,881. Sulit.
Alam kung sinong mahilig mag-ride.
Sulit.
Sa akin pa yung pinakabatang multistrada.
Ha?
Sinulit ang multi. Alright, bye-bye na kayo guys.
Bye.
Alright guys, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin today. Oops, yeah. Medyo mahaba-haba yung vlog natin kasi medyo malayo rin yung pinuntahan natin eh. Pero sulit, bago magtag-init talaga dito sa Vegas. Nakapag long ride kami 4. So goods na rin. Congrats nga pala kay Brother Amor Solo sa 1,000 subscribers. Galing. Road to 1K din tayo guys. Baka naman pwede naman kayong mag-subscribe dyan pag nabadaan kayo sa channel natin. Congrats din pala kay Brother DJ DLS sa iyong bagong motor. Classic na classic ang datingan. Ganda. Vespa season na. Malapit na tayo ulit makapag Vespa. Mga Vespa nights natin parating na yan, abangan nyo. Alright guys, until the next one, ingat kayo dyan and enjoy. Let's go.